Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up desktop icon after installing new operating system. Often we have seen that after installing the new operating system, we can't find any desktop icon over here. So in that case, how to set up the desktop icon I will show you. So in that case, right click on this and click on personalize. And from here click on themes, and here you can see there is a desktop icon settings. Click on the desktop icon settings, then click on computer, users, network, control panel, recycle, whatever you want to display on your desktop, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Then close the window. Then you can see all the desktop icon will appear over here. So this is how you can set up your desktop icon anytime after installing new operating system. So that's it. If you really like our video, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you and see you in my next tutorials.